Next on 5, Democratic hopeful Hillary Clinton lambasting the state of Alabama for closing 31 driver's license offices. She says this will hurt voter registration, especially for the African-American community. She posted the following statement on her website today. This is only going to make it harder for people to vote. It's a blast from the Jim Crow past. News 5 investigated, and turns out this should have little or no impact on voting. Peter Albrecht joins us live in the newsroom with more. What'd you find, Pete?
Well, Roseanne, people basically are equating voter ID to a driver's license, but that's not the case in Alabama. And even with driver's license offices closed, you can still get a free state-issued voter ID card in every single county in the state. Hillary Clinton joined a growing nationwide chorus criticizing Alabama for closing its driver's license offices in the state's poorest, blackest, and most Democratic counties. Clinton calling it, quote, a blast from the Jim Crow past, and later tweeting, yet another reason we need to restore key provisions of the Voting Rights Act. We're better than this. After this week's announced cutbacks, there are now 29 counties in Alabama where people cannot get a driver's license. That includes all 8 counties where the population is 75% black or higher, and the 5 counties that vote most heavily Democratic. National criticism has flooded in since Alabama has a voter ID law. The claim is if you make it harder for the poor and minorities to get a driver's license, then you make it harder for them to vote. Mobile County probate judge Don Davis doesn't buy that.
In Alabama, there are many different acceptable forms of photo ID.
Davis says 90% of voters in Mobile County do use a driver's license, but there are many other options.
IDs issued by either the federal government or some agency or department of the federal government, Indian tribe, a private or public university or college, other governmental entities.
And for those with none of the above, Alabama also issues a state voter ID card, and not through its driver's license offices.
The free voter ID card is actually issued through our boards of registrars.
Albert Lipscomb is on the Baldwin County Board of Registrars. Every county's got a board of registrars.
Every county has a board of registrars.
And so Lipscomb says the closing of driver's license offices should have no bearing on obtaining proper voter identification. Now, the voter ID cards have not been in high demand. Before last year's primary in June, for example, only about 100 had been issued in Mobile County and less than a dozen in Baldwin County. In the newsroom, Peter Albrecht, News 5.
And thank you, Peter.